want to show you guys this. This is turning the changing the turn signal and the marker light. This is a 2013 Ford Escape. You see the two plugs back there behind the wire. You can reach those, guys. I did it myself and I got big arms. But you don't have to take this whole inner fender well out. You don't have to take all this out. You just remove these. Get the light on here. You got these four right here. Then you got these two down here. Then you have this clip that hooks to this. And then you got two plugs in there. But I just pull that back like this and I kind of rest it against the caliper like the way it is here. But you can change them out. And you can get your arm in there and you can pop the bulb out, trust me. You do not have to take this whole inner fender out. It's not hard to do. You can get your hand back there, but this is how you can change these bulbs. It doesn't take that long. It takes me like 5-10 minutes maybe to check all these bolts out and then pull that back. And I can reach back in there with the bulbs, no problem, and turn them out, okay? But that's how you just change it out, okay? Don't take the whole thing apart. Take care.